Hello guys, welcome back to another video of SJ Vlogs. So in this video we are going to make a quick snack. So let's get started with the video. Here are the ingredients that we need for cooking this snack. Drop a like down below and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.